2. That's our adventure. Seadog charters. We've got some gentlemen with us today. So we're going to go and catch a few mackerel first, so have a bit of digging. Camping crew for the day, Graham.
Sorry? Yeah.
Hi.
Alright, how you doing?
He's busy, making sure we don't run into rocks.
Just getting everything set up. Yeah,
We've got the facilities, we've got the tea, the sugar, that's the main thing. Beautiful location, lovely little inn in the corner there next to the campsite. Cracking food. I had a lovely meal in there last night after I finished my first day. So this is who we're with, Seadog Charters.
Once you get a fish on, you've got an area.
Wow. Did you get video? Ah, it's nice.
Maybe stick that leg out a wee bit like that. Once you get a fish on, you've got an area.
Wow. Did you get video? Ah, it's nice.
Maybe stick that leg out a wee bit like that. Rather than risk snapping.
So just looking around this boat now, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. You got one on, Mark?
Aye.
Good lad, we got a 5 hook up, 5 rods fishing. What's going on now?
60 there. 250, 56.50.
Well done, lad, I'll get out of that way.